Hello. Welcome to In the Chair with Brenda Hicks. And I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today was a beautiful day. And we do have an exciting show for you today. Yes, I am live on Facebook at this time. And we welcome all our audience on WESY 1520. Oh yes, we have a great show for you tonight. So if you want to share that button, tell your friends and family to tune in. And our topic is the box. Yes, the box, the gift that is within inside you. Now Tyler Perry has a show called The Have and Have Nots. And I probably seen it once or twice. The show, but in our society, he is political correct. Now, American in the United States, we should believe that everyone should have the same opportunity to achieve the material well-being in America. And sometimes the United States do not show that image. But I believe all should believe in a greater opportunity is for everyone. So I begin with you with the box, the gift which is inside you. Now, if you ask my kids, now they're grown, they'll tell you at Christmas time, I never knew how to wrap any gifts. As a matter of fact, I thought it was like a little bit too much work for me. But as I see life today, every human being that's on this earth is important. Some might think you have or you have not, and they might treat the least person not important, but they are, because God has created everyone. Now, we do have our body, which I think we should take care of, our skin and our hair and exercise at this time. But at the same time, we need to understand we need to focus on our inner spirit as well. So we need to have a balance. Without having a balance in your life is crazy. Yes, you look good on the outside, and that's okay because I believe in looking good. But at the same time, we need to care about our soul, mind, and spirit. And sometimes we need to understand that we need to stand in our truth. Our truth, believing that we are special, we are important in this life. No matter what pain you went through and what situation you went through, you has been created to be the best you. Nobody would never be you on this earth. You is you. They can dress like you, they can look like you, but they will never be you.